My last summer vacations. Present by Yuri Andrea Alfonso. Present to Angela Garzón, Intermediate English, Manuela Beltrán University Virtual. My last summer vacations was the last year. I went to Europe with my mother and my boyfriend. This trip was fascinating. We went to Paris and Rome. Paris. My mom was excited to know the Eiffel Tower. We were up to the top of the Eiffel Tower. It's great. We ate delicious crepes with Nutella. Rome. In Rome, we were in the Basilica of San Pedro, the Vatican. It was a reconciliation visit and a lot of peace. We visited the Rome Coliseum and walked all around. It's fantastic place. The typical food in Rome is pasta and pizza. I ate pizza every night. It was delicious. That trip was great. We were all very happy. There are two places to return. Thank you.